Hi and welcome to another quick tip tutorial. Today we're going to look into how you can attach two different subtools without using Dynamesh or ZBrush or anything else. Just two subtools merging together. Uh, so first let me invite you to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. Here are links to three of the latest videos. There are plenty more, so check them out. You can learn something new. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Comment my videos, like them and share them. You can also become a patron of my YouTube channel, so you can support me to be able to create additional 3D video tutorials. So let's get started. So why should you use this? Sometimes if you want to attach two different subtools together, you normally use Dynamesh, but Dynamesh tends to use too many polygons to keep the details that you created before. So this is one reason why it is good to know that another technique of attaching two subtools together exists. And let me emphasize that this technique comes in handy when you want a part of your model to have a low amount of detail, and another part of your model should have a large amount of detail. So let me just start with a sphere, make a polymesh 3D out of it, and let me just reconstruct subdivision levels and delete higher, because this technique does not work if you have subdivision levels. So then I'm just going to use my own insert multimesh brush that you can download if you are a patron on my Patreon site. But you can also create your own brushes for this purpose. So the next step is going to be using the select lasso tool, and I'm just going to select this, and the only parts of the model will be shown that are fully covered by this green field. So the backside is also selected, so I'm going to Control Shift and Alt and deselect the rear part, and then just Control W to make a different polygroup of these selected polygons. Control Shift and click on the canvas, and we have a new poly group created in our model. So then just you can use BI for insert, and you can use H cube or H cylinder or something similar that has insert multimesh created that has one side opened, so it's not fully closed. I'm just going to use my own brush, and if I press M on the keyboard, you can see I have 9 different noses created, and they all have the back side opened. So I'm going to use this one, and then just drag upon a newly created polygroup, and when you let go of your mouse button, everything else is being masked, and you can move, resize, rotate, whatever you want to do with the newly created subtool. And let me just show you the backside. As you can see, if I go down to display properties and turn on double, you can see there is a hole in my model. So your insert multimesh brushes should have this opened, or these techniques won't work properly. So when you're happy with your position and the scale of your model, just Control, click and drag twice on the canvas, and it will merge them together. It will create additional polygons and it will merge them together. Then just use smoothing brush, holding Shift on your keyboard, and you can smooth out the transition. Let me just do this quickly. You can also let go of shift when you are smoothing out these areas. It will apply different smoothing techniques that come in handy sometimes. And here we go, we have our own subtool created, a newly created subtool, and it is only one subtool, as you can see here. And we didn't merge it, we didn't use Dynamesh or ZBrush or anything similar, and we have 3 poly groups created, the original one, the inserted one, and the parts in between. And as you can see, the polygon distribution is really low on this side and really high on this side, and in between there are some triangles. So this is it for this tutorial. Let me remind you to check out the rest of my videos on my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel, Patreon, become a patron, comment my videos, like them, share them, and till next time, bye.